Okay, so today we're going to do a bit of revision on right angle triangles and specifically using our trig ratios, which are sine, cos, and tan. So if we look at this particular problem here, we have one angle here, we know it's a right angle triangle, we're looking for x, and we have this side here 5. So we have to identify if we have the opposite or adjacent, if we're looking for the opposite or adjacent, and decide which trig ratio to use. So I'm going to fill in first. I know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. I know cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. I know tan is opposite over adjacent. So when we're looking at 60 here, we see that 5 is adjacent to it because it's attaching it, and it's not along the side, so it's not the hypotenuse. So we have the adjacent, a equals 5. Then x is opposite 60, so we know the opposite is x. So if we are looking for the opposite and we have the adjacent, we're going to be using tan. So now I fill in. My angle is 60, so tan of 60 equals opposite x over 5. Then I want x on its own, so I multiply across by 5. The opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5 on the other side. So we do 5 tan of 60 equals x. And then that's one for our calculators. 5 tan of 60. And we get our answer as 5/3. So we can use that as an example. You should also have a few examples in your notes copy. And we're going to try questions on page 402. We're going to try question 2 and 3.